Ever heard of the Gemini dollar, GUSD? It's a stablecoin, a type of cryptocurrency pegged to the US dollar, so its value should always be around $1. But what about Gemini Bitcoin? Is that a real thing, and if so, how much is it worth? For all the crypto enthusiasts out there, or anyone simply curious about the wild world of digital currency, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep to answer the question, is there a Gemini Bitcoin, and if so, what's the deal? Let's rewind a bit. Most people know about Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency that started it all. Its value fluctuates wildly, which can be exciting, but also nerve-wracking. That's where stablecoins come in. They offer a steadier alternative, backed by real-world assets like the US dollar, making them less volatile. Now, Gemini is a well-known cryptocurrency exchange platform. They offer a variety of services, including buying and selling different cryptocurrencies. But Gemini doesn't have its own separate Gemini Bitcoin. Here's why the confusion might arise. Gemini does offer Gemini dollar, GUSD, their own stablecoin. It's a reliable way to hold value within the Gemini exchange ecosystem, similar to how Tether, USDT, works. So, if you see something about Gemini Bitcoin online, it likely refers to you buying regular Bitcoin, BTC, on the Gemini exchange platform. The value of this Bitcoin would be the same as any other Bitcoin on any other exchange, following the global market price. But wait, there's more. Gemini does have its own interesting project related to Bitcoin. They offer a product called Gemini Bitcoin Earn. This allows users to lend out their Bitcoin holdings to Gemini, who then loan it out to others at interest. Essentially, you're earning passive income on your Bitcoin. The interest rate on Gemini Bitcoin Earn fluctuates based on market demand. This can be a great way to potentially grow your Bitcoin holdings without the hassle of actively trading. So, to recap, there is no separate Gemini Bitcoin with its own value. You can buy regular Bitcoin, BTC, on the Gemini exchange platform. Gemini offers Gemini dollar, GUSD, their own stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Gemini Bitcoin Earn allows you to lend out your Bitcoin and earn interest. The world of cryptocurrency can be complex, but hopefully, this video has shed some light on Gemini and Bitcoin. Remember, doing your own research is crucial before investing in any cryptocurrency. Market conditions can change rapidly, so stay informed and make smart choices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.